Welcome back. Young Thug, a co-defendant in his ongoing RICO cause, are facing allegations of extending drugs during a court appearance. The latest of the rapper's legal troubles emerged on January the 19th. The never-hated MC was indicted in May 2022 and has been in jail awaiting the start of his trial. Prosecutors claim his YLC Records cliché of artists and associates operates as a gang in Metro Atlanta, among other accusations. He initially faced 65 charges, but on January the 4th it was determined he would only face the following 8: conspiracy to violate the Racketeer Influence and Corrupt Organizations Act, possession of marijuana with intent to distribute, possession of codeine with extent to distribute, possession of cocaine, possession of firearm, possession of machine gun, 2 counts of participation in criminal street gang activity. In a subcount motion that was filed, it was noted that deputies began to search Adams. He appeared to ingest other items of contraband that he held on his person in an effort to conceal the extent of his crimes within the courtroom. Additional contraband, Percocet marijuana and tobacco, were found wrapped in plastic and found seasonings to mask the odour of the marijuana. Keith Adams, on the YSL head honcho's attorneys, said his client innocent of wrongdoing. His side and the truth, the reality is Mr. Williams had nothing to do with what went on in the courtroom on yesterday, claimed Adams. One of the co-defendants, on his way to the restroom, attempted to pass something to Mr. Williams, who merely turned it over to the deputy. Temporary Colland, an attorney for Adams, said, "These allegations are simply that, mere statements made by the state in an effort to thwart the lengthiness of the jury selection process. On top of the charges stemming from the racketeering case, Adams is now also facing the following charges: possession of Schedule II controlled substance, willful obstruction of law enforcement misdemeanor, possession of marijuana less than 1 ounce, possession of alcoholic beverage by intimate, willful obstruction of law enforcement officers misdemeanor. The Fulton County District's Attorney Office is currently investigating the incident and has not yet announced any plans to charge the young thug." Thank you for listening. Please tell us your thoughts.